Good morning to all of you from this beautiful place. Right now I'm here at our home site and I hope all man is good. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah. And have a look at this. Right now the sky is very cloudy and maybe rain. So my dear friend, uh, today I did not upload any video. Actually it's during practice. I like English, so every day I practice spoken English. Right now very strongly coming rain. I like English, I love English, so every day I practice spoken English. You know that spoken English course is very costly. I I did not join any coaching center, join any academic, because the course English spoken course is really very costly. I have no sufficient money, so every day I practice spoken English on myself. Okay my dear friend, right now it's raining, so I have to go my house. Assalamu alaikum.